how's it going? My name is Lizzie, and welcome back to a new video, which I am doing an unboxing video. And, well, okay, I wanted to do a haul, but like I'm not like a really good YouTuber, so I'm not gonna do a haul yet until you guys let me know in what place I should do my Amazon clothes. So, but today I got stuff from my favorite place, SHEIN. I'm so excited to unbox it with you guys. And I'm going to try it on too. So, first I'm going to start with this package, which I'm excited for these. Because it's sunglasses or glasses. Yeah, sunglasses. It comes in this nice little cute SHEIN little bag for glasses. It opens. It looks like these glasses. It's like you can't tell. So carefully put them on. So it came with it. So I'm gonna take off my glasses. See, I'm gonna try it on like this. See, it actually looks so cute. Tell me guys how you like the sunglasses, and I'll put SHEIN's what is that website under and the app so you can get it. Okay guys, that's the sunglasses, and I'm gonna put it back into the thing, which I don't know why it's not going in all the way. Okay, it's back in. I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can see. So I'm gonna start with this one. I really like the one I picked out because I had this in my cart for months. There's nothing in there. Okay. Oh, it's not even a pocket. It's this. It had some pandas, and there's a little panda on the side falling down. It's a gray and it's a large, so it looks loose. So I'm gonna try. I want to get the other one on. So then I got this next one. So now I got, are these inside out? Okay. Now I got these leggings. Like it shows a low skin, but not too bad. It's a large too. Actually, is it a large? I'm looking. It is a large. Oh, it's an 8 through 10, which is actually good for my waist. And these are a little stretchy too. So these are a nice thing to wear, like for working out or maybe just walking around. So I'm gonna try them on for you guys and show you how they look. Okay, I'll be right back. So guys, these are the pants. Let me move this chair so you can see. These are the pants. They're really comfortable, especially on the waist side. I just gotta fix this part because this one's weird. So, and this is the shirt. Not too loose, but it's not too tight. So it's a little loose, but it's really cute. And the sunglasses with the outfit actually looks nice. So, how do you guys like this? So, let me back the chair. Oop, almost sat on the floor. So this is how I like this unboxing video. Tell me if I should do more unboxing videos. I should take off the sunglasses so I can see. Tell me if I should do more unboxing videos, because I really like doing these unboxing videos. And I won't do another one until after Christmas, probably. So, yeah. So, thank you guys. Thank you for seeing this video. And I just want to say, what would you think if I get merch for you guys? Merch? You know, merchandise. So, let me know if I should do that. And then I will try to do it, or if you want me to, try have your friends follow me too, because I think I have with FanJoy, I have to do a certain amount, and I want this other place. I forgot what it's called. So I have to look into things. So let me know, guys. Okay. But I know this is a short video because I didn't have a lot of stuff to do. Maybe when I go shopping. So goodbye, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Love you.